Airbus stands for safety and security, both in the sky and on the ground. In the field of IoT, we rely on a security solution developed by the Airbus Cybersecurity Unit, the IoT Fingerprint. This offering is ideal for anyone using an LPWAN to transmit sensitive information with battery-driven sensors, as security is not guaranteed throughout the value chain by network providers. The end-to-end security solution by Airbus ensures unsurpassed protection, integrity and privacy. This plug-and-play approach focuses on providing two-factor authentication on each sensor, without compromising battery life or the calculation power. IoT Fingerprint is a highly practical solution, as it is hardware agnostic, independent of the network provider, and it minimizes management costs of using sensors libraries. Airbus security in every sphere.